Ever started an artboard and wasn't quite sure where to start? It's going to take me just 2 minutes to go over Adobe Firefly Boards. It's a workspace for you to generate, gather, and share your ideas fast. Let's get started. What is Firefly Boards? With boards, you can pull in stock images, upload your own, or generate new ones using prompts. Then organize everything on artboards and share with a single link. To generate an image, just type a prompt. Keep it simple. Subject, style, and mood if you have them. If you like one result, use more like this under Vary, which will give you an additional 16 variations. Some features are free, but the best engines like partner models, Flux Kontext Pro, or video are going to cost you some generative credits. So test your prompts and ideas with the free models and save credits for your final designs. One of the most powerful ways to use boards is using your own logo in the prompt. With Flux Kontext Pro, you can place it on hats, t-shirts, and even signs, instantly turning AI scenes into branded mockups. Looking for stock photos? Adobe's got you covered. Go ahead and search and then expand the view, and you've got unlimited stock photography coming up. Then go ahead and select the number of things that you want to place on the canvas. It couldn't be easier than that. That's Firefly Boards in under 2 minutes. Prompt, organize, share, and repeat. It's simple to start but powerful once you know how to use it.